The biggest beginner mistake is thinking a strategy is when the indicator shows it, I click. One trade proves nothing. Two trades prove nothing. Even 5 trades are just a small fragment. Many people think risk management gets in the way of making money. In reality, it gives you the most important thing, the right to stay in the game. Hey friends, Aaron here. I want to start with an honest thought. Most people lose money not because the market is too hard. They lose money because they log into the platform every day with the same mindset. If I can just find a good entry, everything will be fine. So you open pocket options, look at the chart, wait for that perfect signal, and inside you feel the tension. You're not looking for a market situation, you're looking for reassurance that you'll make money today. And that's not how consistency is built. Today's video is a training on system thinking. How to stop jumping between signals, stop relying on luck, and start acting like someone who has structure. If that approach resonates with you, no rush, just logic and discipline. Check out my Telegram, the link is in the description. I share breakdowns, useful principles, and what genuinely helps you feel calmer and more consistent in trading. Let's go. First off, a strategy is not a signal. It's rules of behavior. The biggest beginner mistake is thinking a strategy is when the indicator shows it, I click. No. A strategy is a set of rules that answers questions like when I trade and when I don't trade at all. What I consider a good market. Impulse, correction, calm movement. How I enter, how I define a mistake, and what I do after a mistake. What risk is acceptable and where my daily stop is. In other words, a strategy isn't about the button, it's about the behavior. And until you have behavioral rules, any signal turns into gambling. Because today you enter according to the strategy, and tomorrow because I'm afraid to miss out. Second of all, consistency appears when you think in series. One trade proves nothing. 2 trades prove nothing. Even 5 trades are just a small fragment. A professional trader thinks in series. He doesn't ask, will this trade be a winner? He asks, if I repeat this setup 50 times with the same rules, will I be profitable over the long run? And that's the moment trading stops being a guessing game. Because you stop being emotionally dependent on a single trade. You don't need to be right every time. You need to be disciplined every time. That's incredibly freeing for your mind. Third, the platform is a tool. Your discipline creates the result. I often see people arguing, where is it better to trade? Which platform is stronger? And then they open a trade without a plan and act surprised by the outcome. Pocket option is a convenient tool, but it won't make your trading consistent for you. Consistency starts in your head. Your main indicator is how you respect pauses, don't enter out of greed, don't increase risk after a loss, and don't try to win back your deposit emotionally. The platform gives you the ability to act, but how you act decides everything. Number 4, risk management is not a limitation, it's freedom. Many people think risk management gets in the way of making money. In reality, it gives you the most important thing, the right to stay in the game. If you don't have risk rules, you'll live on a roller coaster. Profit today, a bigger loss tomorrow. Confidence today, panic tomorrow. Risk management makes trading stable not because it creates more profit, but because it doesn't allow one mistake to destroy a week of work. And when you accept that, calm appears. And with calm comes better decisions. Number 5, one habit that changes everything. Record your actions. If you want real growth, start doing one simple thing. After your session, write down why you entered, what you saw on the chart, what you felt, where you broke a rule, what you'll do differently tomorrow. This isn't being obsessive, it's training. Because you stop repeating mistakes blindly. You start seeing patterns, where you rush, where you enter late, where you revenge trade, where you break risk rules. A system is born from observation, not from motivation, not from random videos online, but from honest tracking of what you actually do. I want you to remember one idea. Consistent trading is not talent. It's a skill. The skill of thinking in series, the skill of controlling risk, the skill of waiting for confirmation, the skill of not trading your emotion. And the best part, you can train this. Not in one day, not in 1 week, but if you choose structure over chaos, your results will start to change. If you want a deeper breakdown of this approach, useful materials, and the logic that helps you stay calm, check out my Telegram. The link is in the description. I share what genuinely helps you build a system and stop playing the market. Subscribe to this channel if this was helpful. And remember, you don't have to guess the market, you have to build a process.